Okay, this video is made for PP Toucher Brent Garrison. First, we got 8 commandants, 1 Max Braden, 1 Devon. Now we're going to click Attack, turn off Ruby, go to full screen. I'm going to deploy the Devon first, move him over first, deselect him, deploy the 2 commandants, and then the Braden. Basically what I do is I control the Braden. And use the Braden as the meat shield. You understand so far, PP Toucher Brent Garrison? Then I bring it out. Let the thing, Morbarge, attack the Braden. Then I move the commandant to there. Shoot that. I deploy one of them. Pick up the slack for the commandants that were killed. And then it just keeps shooting till it kills it. Even a PP Toucher extraordinaire like you, Brent Garrison, could do this without a problem.